In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Markdown in Notion. Markdown in Notion lets you format text using simple symbols while you type. Notion automatically converts this into clean, formatted blocks. It's fast, it keeps your hands on the keyboard, and it makes your pages consistent without hunting through menus. We'll keep it simple and stick to the most useful patterns. Go to notion.com and click Login. Head to the workspace you want to work on, then open the page where you want to use Markdown. Everything I show can be typed right into the page, and Notion will do the rest. To create headings, type a hashtag at the start of a new line. 1 hashtag gives you a large heading, 2 make a medium heading, and 3 create a small one. After the hashtags, press the spacebar and Notion will convert the line instantly. If you ever need to change the level, just adjust the number of hashtags and Notion updates it. You can format text by wrapping it in symbols, put double asterisks around a word or phrase to make it bold, use single asterisks for italics, and 3 asterisks on each side if you want bold and italics together. Tildes on both sides apply strikethrough, which is great for revisions, and backticks on both sides make inline code, perfect for short commands or file names. These can be mixed within the same sentence, so you can emphasize only the parts you need. For bullet points, start a line with a dash or an asterisk and press space. For numbered lists, type a number followed by a period and a space, and Notion will continue the sequence for you. You can even create checklists by typing a dash, then square brackets and a space. That turns the line into a checkbox you can tick off. To create a toggle, type a greater than symbol and press space. You can do the same thing to create quotes. This is handy for tucking away details or highlighting a pull quote without clutter. Click the arrow to expand or collapse as you write. When you need to show longer snippets of code, type 3 backticks on a new line and press enter to create a code block. You can also specify a programming language for syntax highlighting, which makes the code easier to read. To separate sections visually, add a divider by typing 3 dashes on a new line and pressing enter. And to add links, place your link text in brackets, followed by the URL in parentheses. Notion will turn this into a clickable link. Using descriptive link text keeps your page cleaner than pasting long URLs. That's it. With these Markdown basics, you can format quickly and keep your notes looking sharp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.